Let's take a quick look at a few different ways to switch inputs on the ClearTouch panels. This works for both our 6000 as well as 7000 series displays. The first way I want to show you is using the side toolbar on the display here. Very simple. Down near the bottom of our side menu here, we're able to see the blue circle with a couple lines through it, and that's going to go ahead and pull up our settings menu or our input switching menu here in the middle of the screen. Another way to access this is actually a really fun way, using your finger right above the logo of the screen. You'll see right in the middle of the screen here, if we simply rest our finger on top of the touch bezel and then swipe up, that's going to call up that same menu here. That's one way to get there. The last way I want to show you is actually using the remote control. Your panel should come with a remote control in a little brown cardboard box with that. But what you'll see is there is an option here in the bottom left corner called Input. And if we point that at the display, just like it sounds, just like your TV at home, we're going to select Input, and that's going to call up that same menu. So now once we have this menu up here, if we have the remote control in hand, we can actually use the remote control to select inputs on here as well, just again like you would with a TV. But of course this is a touchscreen, so if we use any of the other methods we talked about, maybe the method where we swipe up here, we can also simply touch on the screen, select our input that way, and you'll see it's going to switch over nice and quick to whatever your input is. So if you find yourself looking at a laptop or maybe on the Android operating system, again simply swipe up here and switch inputs, in my case back to the internal computer, and that's a very simple way to navigate the ClearTouch panels.